Morning, y'all. Honestly, when I say I don't care no more, I just don't care about people's opinions. I don't care what you think about me. I don't care what you have to say about me. I don't care nothing. I'm out here, my sandals fell off. I lost my sandals. I'm just out here walking the streets. I don't have any food. I don't have no drink. I don't have no shoes. I don't have no sleep. Guess what? I'm still smiling, baby. You can't beat me. There's no way you could beat me. You could never beat me. I can't beat me. I couldn't beat me. You couldn't beat me on your best day, on my worst day. You wish you could. Anyway, I'm not here to be braggadocious. I'm not here to, talk that shit. Yeah, I still got no shoes on. Yeah, you think people think this make believe. I'm just strolling around, just walking around, hanging out. We got the hood. We in the hood. Yeah, we in the neighborhood. We got going on. We don't care. I here showing love. I here doing my thing. Where you at? Laying in bed probably, right? Yeah, you probably laying in bed. You probably talking a good one. You ain't about that life. You ain't about this life. You ain't about it. Please. Please, bro. I'm not here all day and all night. In the streets. What up, partner? I'm just out here chilling, man. Like I said, doing my thing. Yeah, I get my modes. I go from 0 to infinite. Lightning speed. Light year speed. Quick. So anyway, I want to change my mode up a little bit. It's early in the AM. Finally there's some light out here and I want to shoot a video. Again, just, show my style, show you how I kick it. Sandals fell off. Threw them sandals in the road. You know what I mean? If God wanted you to have sandals, well, I guess he. Anyway, who cares? I wasn't born with sandals. I was born with 2 feet. The man with no shoes. I guess this message doesn't really have no point. I don't know. You think it has a point? I'm walking on the grate right now. I'm walking on the street. Oh, what's he trying to prove? It's just everyday life for me. Nothing's changed for me. I'm still happy. I still got it going on. I'm about to go do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm about to go get it today. Like I said, it's it's like I don't know, 7 something, almost 8 o'clock, almost 7 o'clock or whatever. I don't know, something like that. That's early, but I don't care what time it is. I don't care what day it is. I guess it's Saturday or something. Friday, Saturday, I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. Because every day is the same for me. I get on my issue. I get on my grind. I go out. I help people out. I bless people. I give them the word. I do my thing. That's just what I do. That's what I was made to do. Anyhow, I just want to shoot y'all a quick word. I'm not sad. I'm actually, I'm doing good. I'm strong. I'm happy, and it might not look like it. Yeah. Anyway, just want to say, just want to give y'all a word and just, let y'all, really see how I get down in the nitty gritty. Kyle's in the paint. I love y'all. It's peace, love, and happiness all the time, all day, every day. I love y'all. That's my word. Peace out.